Hi, thanks for tuning in. This is going to be a short video about how to create a custom page with a custom section for a Shopify store. So currently, when you have a Shopify store, it only allows you to easily add sections onto the homepage. But if you want to add a section for anything other than the homepage, then you kind of have to go into the code if you want something beyond the regular customizer that's in the page editor. So first of all, we're just going to go into pages and create a new page. Um, Actually, let's go into code first. So in order to create a new page template, we want to go into edit our code and click on add new template. And this is going to be a page template. So we'll name this example. So what this is going to do is it's going to name it page.example.liquid. And let's click create. And we're giving this kind of template code here. And if we scroll down over here, we can see that page.example was created. And let's just delete that for now. We'll save this. So when we created this page.example.liquid in our code, it's going to appear in our pages tab over here in the templates. So we can see here that page.example appeared. Very cool. And let's just name this page example page. And let's save it. So once we do that, and we go into the customizer, we'll be able to see it over here once we refresh. And sometimes it takes a while. So there we go. So as we can see, our only page just appeared here. And when we click on it, it's going to be completely empty. So the footer and the header are always included on Shopify themes by default. And so right now it's empty, right? So how do you actually add a custom section to this? And we do that by going back into our code and we create new liquid tags and we type in section and the name of that section that we want to add. And let's choose a section that we'll add. So these are all the sections that are pre-made for us with the debut theme. So we have, let's add something like feature row. So all we do in here is type in feature row. And now this is basically telling us that in between the header and the footer, this feature row is going to be placed. So let's save that. Go back to our customizer and refresh. And now basically we should have the feature row. There you go, image with text. And we have that here. So some of the names are actually kind of weird. So by default, this section is called feature row. But if we wanted to know what the actual name is, that's going to come up over here in our customizer. We would go down to the schema. So the schema is basically the code that creates the customizer. And I'll talk about this in later videos, but in this video, I just wanted to quickly cover how to basically place these sections in the code by yourself. And so with a lot of the Shopify themes, you'll get the names in different languages, which can be kind of confusing, but let's see, where's English? So we can actually remove all this stuff for now, just to make it look a little bit more legible. And we can see here that the name is actually image with text. And if we go in the customizer, we can see that it's also called image with text, which is kind of confusing because it's called feature row in the code, but it's actually called image with text in the section in the customizer. So That's kind of some of the things that you have to look out for when you're creating your own sections, is to make sure that the section that you want is the one that you're actually placing in here. Anyways, I hope that was clear enough. Thanks for tuning in again. See you next time.